We're here at COSO America, Rexa Electrolyc Actuators, showing an actuator model widely used in coal-fired power plants for induced draft fan control, furnace pressure control, or an ID fan. What we have here is an actuator with 100,000 inch-pounds of torque, approximately 8,000 foot-pounds, or 11,000 Newton-meters. And it full strokes in approximately 3 seconds. And this is normally specified a fast speed to catch furnace pressure excursions, sometimes during a load rejection, to keep the boiler online. And this is a closed-loop electrohydraulic actuator. There's no separate oil tank, no reservoir, no filtration. It's basically a motor-driven device. So when we change the control signal, it's a 4 to 20 milliamp input. The motor activates and the drive moves. When it reaches position, the motor shuts off and the drive stops. So we have a demonstration here to show repeatability. We're going to put this drive down and crush an egg. This is a raw egg. Show you how fast and accurate it is. And I'll zoom in on that egg so you can see the crack that it opens up when it's run down to that position. Bring it up and down one more time, Nick. Okay, one more time. And you can see we're standing on the drive base, and the egg is not crushing. Go ahead and do that one more time, guys. So it's very stable hydraulic control. So I'll just show you how it modulates. Right now we're running the drive. Get your finger away from that microphone. So we're running the drive from 0 to 90%, and we'll modulate it, and then we'll run it to 100%. See that the large motor activates for large step changes, and the small motor activates for small step changes. So you get very high speed and very accurate control. Run it down and crack the egg. That'll crack the egg right there. I'll run it up, and then I'll run it to 100%. To show that it's a raw egg. So that's the Rexa ID fan draft actuator, widely used throughout North America in coal-fired power plants.